In this Autodesk Fusion tutorial, we're going to cover how to use the circular pattern tool. It's a really powerful tool for patterning features and other elements around your design in Fusion. Here I have a circle that I want to create a circular pattern on. First, I'll draw a sketch on top of the face of the circle, and then I can use the line tool to draw across, and I have a trapezoidal shape. I can draw straight down from the midpoint of this shape, make this line vertical, press X to make it a construction line, and then I can also make this point vertical and horizontal to the origin. I won't worry about dimensioning this. I'm going to press E and select both of these profiles. And I want the distance to be all. And the operation will be cut. Now, I want this to go all the way around this feature. If I select Create, Pattern, Circular Pattern, by default, it will be bodies. But if I select Features, I can select this Extrude and then pick an axis. And if I select this axis here, I can adjust how many of these I want to go around. And it automatically computes where they need to be. So you can make pretty neat shapes. And if I press OK, it cuts all those out. Now, what if I wanted to come back in here and fillet some of these edges? That would be a lot of clicking. So if you come back before the circular pattern on your design timeline, click Fillet. Now I can select this piece and this piece, and I can give it a fillet. Press OK. And then what if I just wanted some sort of chamfer on the top edge? So then I can go Modify, Chamfer, click this edge and this edge, add a bit of a chamfer. So now there's a chamfer there. And if I want to select these two edges right here, so now I have that chamfer. I press OK. Now, when I move forward from my pattern, it patterns just those features first. But what if I want to have all of those features patterned? So then I can edit the circular pattern in Fusion. And then the object is still features. If I hold Control or Command, I can select more features. Then when I press OK, all of that is patterned around. And that can be a lot faster to create different forms when you are using pattern. You want to use pattern feature, do everything you can do to that feature, then pattern everything. So you only have to do it once. And what's great about that is everything updates automatically and parametrically in Fusion with circular pattern. If I right click, edit feature, I can change this to 1 millimeter, and suddenly that chamfer updates all the way around. So hopefully this allows you to use circular patterns in Autodesk Fusion. Happy 3D modeling.